All right, guys, back here. Let's bench bleed the master cylinder. And what I am going to do is I'm going to reverse bench bleed this. If you want to bench bleed it by pushing that in 500 times for freaking 15 minutes, more power to you, have at it, have fun. But we are going to reverse bleed it. Absolutely love this tool. It was a bit expensive, but it's probably one of the best things I've ever bought. That was actually really expensive. Maybe one of these days I'll actually clean it. Maybe today's the day. This thing allows me to bleed the brakes without having a second person. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Come on, you know. Don't you know? I seen it work. I even watched a YouTube video on it. What the hell? There we go. Just needed to prime it. Yeehaw! See, that's why I make these mistakes so you don't have to. Ooh. Don't focus on the hose. I know with this I'm kind of technically shoving air in it. Don't know how to get that little bit out. I'd say that side is good now. I'm still, obviously you still got to reverse bleed. I'll still reverse bleed the rest of it. That should get the rest of the air out. That will be in there. Zoom you out. It'll be in there because you still got to take the line off. So you'll still have a little bit of air in between here. But as far as in here, all the air has been taken out. So that is how you bench bleed your master cylinder doing the reverse method, and you don't have to pump it. This thing provides a quick cleanup. And that'll do. Get this on the car tomorrow. I got the front brakes done, but I'll get this on the car tomorrow. Reverse bleed all the brakes all the way around, and we should have brakes. And then eventually we will do the we'll convert the front drums to rotors. The left side, the left front is not, and I beat the hell out of that freaking the right front drum. Basically just kind of put the old drums back on, new brakes on, new shoes on. The old drums are back on because I don't have a press to press out the hub and put it on the new drums. And I figured, if I'm going to have to pay somebody to do that, then I might as well just put that towards upgrading the brakes, converting the front to disc brakes. So that'll be my first time doing that type of upgrade. That should be fun. I've seen some videos online of people doing it. It doesn't really look that difficult. Instructions seem to be pretty self-explanatory on it, so we'll look forward to that video. Alright guys, I hope this was helpful. Got that brake tool at Napa. I cannot remember what it's called because I lost the tag that goes in there, but it does come with other pieces. I think that is also for one of those if you get a smaller bottle. But so far, I've only ever needed that connection. I also use this to bleed the clutch master cylinder, or the clutch slave cylinder, excuse me, on the MGB. I think that worked out great. I'm pretty sure I got rid of all of the air that was actually in it. Plus it seemed like there was a lot of gunk in my line as well. So, but I think this worked out great doing it for the clutch, because the slave cylinder for this MGB, doing it, man, was it freaking. And even if you look online about doing it, there's tons of people in there that basically say it's just, it's a royal pain in the ass, and it is. It is a big pain in the ass. Because you have to have somebody up there pumping it, and then you got to do all kinds of goofy shit underneath, and it's just it's a great big hassle. So this tool is very beneficial in bleeding brakes, bleeding the clutch slave cylinder. You know, and look how long it took me to do the master cylinder. You know, I watched it had to have been a 10-minute video, and I want to think they actually cut parts of it out just to save time on the video of him pushing that, going back and forth, and basically said that you had to do that for about 15 minutes. And it's like, man, I don't want to do that for freaking 15 minutes. I'm going to reverse bleed that sucker. And wham bam, thank you ma'am. Doesn't take long. So, wonderful tool that is. Alright guys, I hope this was helpful. Take it easy. Stay safe. Peace.